Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID verification failed in iPhone or iPad. If you are using an iPhone or iPad and facing the issue that you see a message that your Apple ID verification failed, so let's see how can you easily fix this issue if your Apple ID is not active. Now to fix that, very first thing is that you have to try to make a force restart to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly personalize the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly personalize the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open the settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If it's still not fixed, so you have two ways. The very first way is that you have to use your Apple Support and contact the Apple Support team. Or there's a second way is that you have to unlock your Apple ID feature using your PC or laptop. So now I'm going to try the very first. Open the Apple Support app. Here you have to you can easily install it from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select your iPhone from here. Select this more option. Here you have to select App Store and then wait for this loading. Then select Get More Help. Select Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.